so high and touch the sky. And I know it's 'cause you're mine. Hold real still so I can kiss your lips. It gives me chills. You make me feel like I'm on top. And you know we'll make time stop. No matter where we go, I promise I will give my all to you. Every little beat that's in my heart, it beats fire, it beats fire. My breath away, I can't forget. Our love will never break or bend, and I hope this feeling never ends. No matter where we go, I promise I will give my all to you. Every little beat that's in my heart, it beats fire.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana paglaki mo, hindi ka na magkasakit. Sana mapanood mo tong video na to, na talagang kahit pandemic, na i-raos namin ang birthday at binyag mo. Kahit maraming delay. At
sa pinakamaselan kong baby, ayan, sana pag malaki ka na napanood mo to, maging mabait ka, huwag ka pasaway. Ayan, uwi na ng alas 6.
Ano yun?
Tapos magbo-boyfriend ka lang pag 25 ka na. Ayan. Makabait ka, Addison. Love you. Sana magpagpatuloy mo yung pagiging dancer mo. Yung pagsasayaw mo. Pagiging marites mo. Yung pagiging singer mo, songers. Ayan. Kung ano gusto mo, pag gawin mo lang, support lang kami.
Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Kung ano man yung gusto mo, nandito lang kami para sumuporta sa'yo.
I drive a beat-up car, a caravan, the color blue. Reminds me of your eyes and all the places we've been to. We're tethered to the leather, searching for a better view. It's interstellar when it's me and you. We're taking off.
Ko kay ate, sana ay laging malusog yung kanya pangangatawan, hindi magkakasakit, tsaka lumaking mabuting bata.
I put the pedal to the metal just to laugh with you. It's interstellar when it's just us two. We're taking off. We're taking off. This is what I live for.
sana lumaki ito ng malapit sa Diyos. Siyempre, pag malapit ka sa Diyos, lalaki ka ng mabait. Ha? Okay. Andito lang ang lola.
We're taking off.
Maraming salamat sa mga pumunta kahit pandemic at
Kahit
kumbaga parang naisingit nyo itong birthday na to para mag-celebrate tayo.
You can take me anywhere the wind blows, right